This is the medical section in China International Fair for Trade and Services. I've learned from the exhibitors that robots like this have been deployed in actual operation rooms across the country.
实际上现在我们的骨科的智能手术机器人，包括我们 AI 的技术，已经广泛的应用到全国的这个咱们的这个医院了。最领先的这个 AI 加全骨科的手术机器人平台，1毫米级别的一个精准操作，可以让我们这个手术时间更短，然后呢精准度更高，同时呢也让我们的这个手术更加的安全，它可以减少我们并发症的发生。
For example, this one. The company making it said it had done over 8,000 surgeries, including some cross-border ones. But I wanted to get a sense of the public perspective on this. I mean, are people fully embracing the idea of a robotic surgery? This question is also directed at you and anyone who's watching this video. Let's start with asking the visitors first. Would you choose a robotic surgery?
Would I choose robotic surgery? Probably not. I'm a believer that it's probably better not to do the first generation.
My question is, would you choose a robotic surgery?
对我来讲，起码还少5年，因为这个东西不单是你制造一个，还要进一步的迭代。
只要是人操作的东西，它都会有失误，但是机器你控制好的话，它是跟人相比来说的话，这个概率是很低的。我更相信机器。
Do you choose a robotic surgery?
Definitely, yeah, definitely. It will be more far efficient than a human doctor, I guess. Hopefully, we would bring this technology into our country. It will make our health sector far more efficient. Mostly people are going to India for medical treatment. I think this technology should be brought to many countries.
Because I am also a doctor, so I would rely on the data. If I have the enough data about that, then I will be more comfortable using that.
And how long do you think it will take for the technology to be matured enough?
I think it will take maybe more 5 years.
Most of the remote areas in every country, the surgeons are not available in every place. It is difficult for a doctor to travel to a lot of places. So in that case, the robotic surgery is best.